Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Softr to build a course platform, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by signing in to your Softr account. If you don't have an account, visit the Softr website to create one. Once logged in, click on the New Application button. Choose a template suited for course platforms or start from scratch. If you opt for a template, browse through the available options and select one that appeals to you. After selecting a template, you will be directed to the App Builder interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the sidebar, canvas, and block options. Begin by adding a new page for your course offerings. Click on the Pages section in the sidebar and then select Add New Page. Name your new page courses to keep it organized. Now, add a list block to display your courses. Choose the list block from the block library and drag it onto your canvas. In the settings of the list block, connect it to your course database. If you haven't created a course database yet, go to the Data section in the sidebar. Click on Add New Data Source and name it Courses. Define the fields you'd need, such as title, description, price, and image. After setting up your database, return to the list block settings. Link the block to the newly created courses database. Next, customize the layout of your list block. You can adjust styles, fonts, and colors to match your branding. Add a button to allow users to enroll in courses. Drag a button element to your list block and label it Enroll Now. Set the button action to direct users to a course details page. Create a course details page by repeating the process of adding a new page. Link your course list to individual course pages using dynamic links. Edit the course details page to display additional information like syllabus and instructor bio. Ensure to incorporate a registration or payments section on the course details page. Now, let's set up user accounts for your platform. Navigate to the User Management section and enable user sign-up options. Decide whether to allow social logins for convenience. Customize the user registration page to capture necessary details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.